Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your freelancing skills with Udemy easy tutorial step by step clearly. To scale your freelancing skills with Udemy, start by visiting Udemy's website. Create an account if you don't have one. Search for courses related to your freelancing niche. Take note of the course ratings and reviews. Select a course that fits your skill level and area of interest. Purchase the course to gain lifetime access. Begin watching the videos at your own pace. Take notes on key concepts and techniques presented. Participate in any course discussions or Q&A offered. Complete the assignments or projects included in the course. Practice the skills learned through real-world application. Consider enrolling in additional advanced courses over time. Utilize Udemy's mobile app for learning on the go. Connect with other freelancers in your niche through forums or social media. Showcase new skills by updating your freelance portfolio. Apply your enhanced skills to attract higher-paying clients. Continuously seek feedback from clients to refine your abilities. Stay updated with new courses to keep your knowledge fresh and relevant. With continuous learning and application, you can successfully scale your freelancing skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.